Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm sporting a new look. These are my knotless braids that I got done a couple days ago, so it's slowly loosening up, but just enough for me to do this video. And you'll also see that I have a change of scenery, so please excuse how busy it is in the background. I am actually filming in my dining room table area. If my mom saw this right now, she'll be so mad because she's like, it's messy, Nicolette, you need to clean up the place. Why are you filming? Yeah. Just won't tell her, okay? But as you can see, I am sporting a ponytail look. This is actually one of the styles I'll be doing for you today. But if you have a protective style and you want to see how you can jazz it up a bit, definitely watch this video. My hair is down, so we're gonna get ready to do the first style. Now as you can see, this is pretty much the simplest style that you can do. Wearing it down, especially when you're just getting it done, can be super easy because of the fact that your braids are still tight. So you don't want to have your hair up or doing anything else because it's gonna tug and pull, and it can be very uncomfortable, especially on your edges or on your scalp in general. So definitely sporting this long look, and just so you guys can see, this is how long the braids go. Oops, can you guys see that much? Hold on. So they go all the way to my butt, actually, and past my butt. And I actually loved it because, I don't know, I just wanted them to be super long. I'm super happy the way it turned out. So this is not the first style, but like I said, this can be your everyday style if you just want to get up and go and don't do any styling. And throughout this video, please do not judge me, okay? Because I am on my way to go to the nail salon. So if you notice that I am missing, well, not missing, but 2 of my nails are broken, and then the rest are all pulled up, meaning I need a filling. So please don't judge, because girls, I know you guys can relate. My appointment is in 2 days, okay? So I will get there. I will get there. Please do not judge me. And so for the first style, what we're gonna do is just have the hair going all the way back, and I'm actually gonna turn around because the majority of the style will be from the back, so you guys can actually see how do I do it. Okay, so once you finish that, you're gonna take a few of the braids starting from the top, and you're going to tie as if you're tying a knot, and then you're gonna continue doing that same thing all the way down. Alright, so for style number 2, it's very simple. Literally, it's a low ponytail with a middle part. So to do that, first we're going to put our hair back in its original state, which was to have that middle part. And then we're going to just wrap the hairs around as if we're making the ponytail instead of using a scrunchie, if that makes sense. So you want to put your hair back as if you were going to put a scrunchie in, making sure that all the hairs are flat, just like so. So now what you want to do is just grab a few of the hairs from the sides, and then you're just going to wrap it around, forming as if like a scrunchie. Our last style, this is going to be our high ponytail that you saw me with at the beginning of this video. So for this, same concept as doing our low ponytail, except we're doing it high. Okay, so now once you have all your hair up, you're gonna do the same thing like we did before with the low ponytail. Take a few of the hairs from whichever direction you wish and wrap it around until it's snug enough the way you want it to stay. You can decide to leave it in the front. You can decide to push it all the way back. It's completely up to you. Alrighty guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed those styles. I do have a couple more styles coming up, so definitely stay tuned to my channel so you can see some other videos for some other styles that you can try while you're rocking your protective styles. And other than that, give this video a major thumbs up. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe so you guys can see all the videos that I have in store for you. But other than that, thanks for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't judge me on my nails. Remember, I told you, don't tell nobody. But yeah, I'll see you guys again next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.